Are you curious about the formalism structure in this Joji song?
Yeah, I have researched about it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'll explain about it. In formalism, we focus only on the text itself, not on the singer's biography or the social background. We pay attention to diction, imagery, symbolism, tone, and structure, just like when we analyze a poem. Now, one branch of the theory is Russian formalism. This approach studies literature scientifically through its form and language. It introduced important concepts like fabula, the raw story, suzette, the way the story is arranged, and defamiliarization, making ordinary emotion feel new through artistic language. When we use this approach for Joji's Glimpse of Us, we treat the lyrics as poetry. Every word, repetition, and structure builds the meaning and emotion. So the beauty and power of the song come from inside the text itself, not from outside context. And that is why formalism analysis is very useful. It helps us see how literature, even in song lyrics, create meaning through its own artistic devices. This will also connect to the next point that my friend will explain in more detail.
Let me show you the structure of the lyrics in Glimpse of Us by Joji. So this song is divided into several parts. Verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus. Verse 2, pre-chorus, chorus, and pre-chorus again, and finally chorus again. And I will only sing the chorus part because it really represents the main feeling of the whole song. 'Cause sometimes I look in her eyes, and that's where I find a glimpse of us. And I try to fall for her touch, but I'm thinking of the way it was. Said I'm fine, said I moved on. I'm only here passing time in her arms, hoping I'll find a glimpse of us.
So the next is about musical form of Glimpse of Us. The first is introduction. Soft piano sets the mood and very minimal creates a melancholic atmosphere. And the second is verse 1. Joji's voice enters with piano only, and the lyrics tell the story. He is with someone new but feels empty. And this slow dynamic like quiet and intimate. And the third is pre-chorus. This part builds tension musically and emotionally and prepares the listener for the emotional release in the chorus. And the chorus part or refrain, the emotional climax in the lyrics, because sometimes I look in her eyes and that's where I find a glimpse of us. These lyrics still soft but melody rises slightly in to highlight the emotion. And this chorus repeats throughout the song the main motif. And the first two, the returns to storytelling or comparison between past love and current partner. And this very similar musically to first one or keeps unity. And the chorus part, this same melody and lyrics as before, and repetition emphasize longing and emotional cycle. And the bridge part, slight variation in chords and melody, and provides contrast, giving the listener a break before the final chorus. This adds emotional depth, almost like reflection. And the last part is final chorus or outro. This chorus returns for the last time, but more emotional wake, and ends unresolved, fades quietly with piano. And no big finish, which makes the theme of unresolved feelings.
Alright, I will explain about the sound device in this lyric. In Joji's Glimpse of Us, the sound device functions as crucial element in shaping the song's aesthetic meaning. Repetition is the most prominent, as keyword and phrases such as so perfect, said, maybe, and especially glimpse of us recur throughout the lyrics. The chorus itself is repeated several times, operating as both a refrain and a central motif, which conveys the narrator's obsession and emphasizes unresolved emotion. Alliteration further contributes in the song's poetic quality, with recurring sounds such as the R in rain or rainbow, the S in so perfect, and start or sleeping or slowly, and the T in try or thoughts. These phonetic patterns create smoothness and musically while highlighting the delicacy of the theme. The rhythm of the lyric is slow, ballad-like, and supported by the steady piano background, which align with the song's mood of sadness, longing, and reflection. The use of long vowels in keywords like eyes, fine, us creates a drawn-out, mournful sound, while shorter beats in lines such as said I'm fine feel abrupt and forced, mirroring the narrator's denial. Moreover, George's vocal timbre breathy, subdued, and wavering function as a paralinguistic sound device that heighten vulnerability and fragility. Collectively, this device exemplify the poetic function of language, as the interplay of repetition, alliteration, and rhythm ensure that the song does not merely state emotion but makes the listener experience them through sound itself.
Next, we're going to explain about the metaphor, imagery, and symbolism that plays in a central role in conveying the emotional depth of longing and regret in Georgie's Glimpse of Us. The most striking metaphor lies in the contrast between the present relationship and the memory of the past lover. For example, in the line, I'm only here passing times in her arms. The current relationship is metaphorically reduced to a way of passing time, showing emptiness rather than true love. Similarly, the repeated phrase, a glimpse of us, is a metaphor for fleeting memories of the past relationship. The singer does not directly describe love or loss, but instead frames the current partner as a mirror through which these memories emerge. This metaphor illustrates how unresolved feelings can haunt even new connection. Next is the imagery, further amplifies the emotion, tension, particularly in the line, sometimes I look in her eyes and that's where I find a glimpse of us. The act of looking into someone's eyes creates visual imagery of intimacy, while at the same time revealing the hollowness of searching for someone who is no longer there. Another example is I'm only here passing time in her arms, which creates emotional imagery of closeness that still feels empty.
Next is symbolism. So, symbolism depends on the song's meaning. Like eyes symbolize emotional truth and memory, the place where the past resurfaces. And arms symbolize physical comfort but also emptiness because his heart remains elsewhere. And the curing motif of the glimpse symbolizes something fleeting and incomplete, representing how the past love lingers in fragments but can never return fully. Together, these literary devices transform the song from a simple narrative of heartbreak into a layered exploration of nostalgia, regret, and the human difficulty of moving forward while still being tied to the past.
Okay, now we move into the defamiliarization in Georgie's song. The defamiliarization in Georgie's song that we can find is first, in normal expression, we just say, I miss my ex. But in Georgie's lyric, I look in her eyes and that's where I find a glimpse of us. Nah, here, in Georgie's, he just didn't say he missed her ex. But by using a glimpse of us, he turns into a simple feeling into an image. Looking into someone's eyes and suddenly remembering the past makes the longing feel fragile and poetic, not just plain sadness. And the second is, in normal expression, we just say, my new partner can't replace my ex. But in Georgie's lyric, he say, I'm only here passing time in her arms, hoping I'll find a glimpse of us. Nah, instead of saying it directly, Georgie's used the phrase passing time. So, he's like waiting around. It shows that even in closeness, he still feels distance in fluidity. Now, let's move on to explore the plot or Suzette and the story or fabula in Georgie's Glimpse of Us using the Russian formalist concept. So, the fabula or story is quite straightforward. It is about a man who is in a new relationship but his heart still longs for a past lover. Even though he is physically with someone new, emotionally he remains tied to his old love. And then the Suzette or plot makes it more complex. The song doesn't follow chronological order. Instead, the song begins in the present moment with a caring new partner. Then the lyrics suddenly shift into a memory and emotional comparison, as in, "Cause sometimes I look in her eyes, and that's where I find a glimpse of us." Here, the past love intrudes into the present, breaking the flow of time and showing the speaker's inner conflict. And this movement between present and past creates a fragmented structure, making listeners feel the same instability, physically living in the present, but emotionally stuck in the past. The song's power lies not in George's biography or outside context, but in how the lyrics are arranged. The Suzette turns a simple love story into a deep emotional experience of longing and loss.
Now we will talk about repetition and motif in George's song using formalism. In George's Glimpse of Us, repetition plays a central role in building the emotional atmosphere of the song. The chorus repeats the same lines. Cause sometimes I look in her eyes, and that's where I find a glimpse of us. This repetition appears after each verse, circling back again and again. The effect is to show how the narrator is trapped in memory, unable to move on from the past. The repeated chorus creates a cycle of longing, mirroring the way memories constantly return. The main motif of the song is the praise glimpse of us. This motif sums up the central themes, fleeting memories of past love that appear in the present. Every time the praise is repeated, it reminds listener of the narrator's emotional conflict. He is with someone new, but is haunted by old love. From a formalist perspective, this repetition and motif give the song unity and coherence. The form itself carries the meaning. Longing and nostalgia are not only expressed in word but also structured in the song patterns.
Now, we are going to talk about binary oppositions in George's song Glimpse of Us. Binary opposition means the song is built around contrast, two opposite ideas that create tension and meaning. The first, past versus present. In the past, he remembers the way it was, which shows how much joy and love he had. But in the present, he says, I'm only here passing time in her arms. This means his current relationship feels empty. The effect is a clear gap between nostalgic happiness and present emptiness. The second, memory versus reality. In memory, he says that where I find glimpse of us, which show his old love still lives inside him. But in reality, he tries to convince himself by saying, I'm fine, I move on. The effect is that memory keeps breaking into reality, showing unresolved feelings.
Okay, we're going for the third one, passion versus emptiness. Passion or past, he turned the rain to a rainbow. Past love brought joy, and the emptiness, present, passing time in her arms. No real passion in his new relationship. Effect highlights the emptiness of his present compared to past intensity. And the fourth, truth versus denial. Truth, that's where I find a glimpse of us. Admits he's still haunted by past love. Denial, said I'm fine and said I move on. Repeats a lie to himself and the others. And the effect is reveals his inner conflict. He knows the truth deep down, but outwardly pretends to be okay. This binary reposition shows the structural tensions in the song. Georgie is caught between opposites, which creates the emotional depth of longing, regret, and denial.
Okay, last but not least, I will explain about poetic function in this song. The lyrics heavily employ various poetic devices to convey the narrator's emotional turmoil and lingering attachment to a past love while in a new relationship. Allegory is a dominant device, where certain lines like "She's take the world off my shoulders if it was ever hard to move." This line representing the new partner as a source of emotional relief and support. Metaphor is also significant, such as living in the blue, where blue is a stand-in for sadness. Also, the eyes of the new partner are used as a symbol where the narrators hope to find a glimpse of us in the past relationship. The line "she's turned the rain to a rainbow" is used for emphasize the new partner's positive impact. Repetition praise like "glimpse of us" also used to emphasize key emotional points.
So, have you understood all of the explanation?
Yes, such a great explanation.
Okay.
Cause sometimes I look in her eyes and that's where I find a glimpse of us. And I try to fall for her touch, but I'm thinking of the way you are. Said I'm fine, and said I moved on. I'm only here passing time in her arms, hoping I'll find a glimpse